Dipanshu, introduce yourself.
Man, how am I supposed to introduce myself? Okay.
It's our channel only. We have done it many a
Yeah,
times.
we have done it before. You need to introduce yourself. You're the
Oh,
guest.
okay.
Who are
Okay.
you?
I am Harika Singh. I am a BTech CSE student, IGDTUW second year. And I met these guys in nationals in Calcutta. I am a KV student, yes, I am, and we are very privileged to be so. We go to a lot of nationals without money. Yeah. Anyways, other than that, I am a national level, I don't know, harmonium player. And
Yes.
I
Us.
play Congo, djembe, all of these stuff. I do different stuff. And yeah, I'm learning some tech stuff.
So there's one thing that is common between all three of us is that music and tech and all.
Yeah.
We just like दोनों में है.
It's not very much prevalent.
Crazy combo if you think about it.
Actually is.
As well. Fitness as well. Come on.
Okay, see, at times tech actually fucks you up. Okay, and then when it does, you have music to
Yeah.
calm yourself down. So it's a very good combo.
And when everything goes down the shit, run. Yeah.
Okay,
अच्छा.
Ashwin, you're the moderator, भाई.
Okay, okay. So
Mediator होता है.
नहीं ये moderator है.
Okay.
नहीं, the way Niharika said Kolkata as Calcutta, it showed her colonial क्या कहते हैं mindset. It was good.
कवि
यार
ये
मैं क्या
कहना
कर
चाहते
रहा हूँ?
हैं.
I had to construct this sentence in my mind for 5 minutes, bro. कि how would I
Okay.
put this up?
Calcutta.
Okay.
Ashwin being a
Okay, I
historian.
mean, okay, that depends. Calcutta, Kolkata, both are right, but in the actual like local language, people call it Kolkata, and in Hindi as well, it's written as Kolkata, but it's like translated or you can say pronounced into Calcutta when it comes to English. So
I'm
both are right.
ready. I'm ready to
Delhi.
क्या? Okay, okay. So it used to be called as Kolikata, but the Britishers named it as. हाँ, तो there were. अच्छा, should I go into the history वाला section?
अरे
Dipanshu.
भाई, we have topics.
Okay,
Okay.
let's start with the how do you guys earn money? Let's start with the Niharika. She's our guest. Okay.
As of right now, I'm earning money through being an ambassador. I guess my sister calls me a salesperson. So yeah.
Can you
that.
elaborate?
If I have to elaborate, let's say I have a company XYZ, I'm not gonna reveal the name. So yeah, what I do is I basically tell people that these are the courses and these are the industrial training programs, and these are beneficial for you in XYZ way. And then this is my referral code. Apply that, and then whatever the cost of the course is, I get 15% of that.
Okay, that's cool. Acha, how is it going, Niharika?
In respect to.
Your college life?
Okay, so college was like very messy, if I have to describe it in one word, because teachers won't teach you. Teachers won't even tell you what's the syllabus one day before the examination, and you can't even blame them because they have the entire control over all of the marks, like internals, externals, all of those. And like there has been cases in our college, like people complained about the professors, and inevitably what happened is that their CGPAs got decreased. They didn't have any, like, they complained to the HOD as well and nothing happened. So that's shit. So you have to study, and you have to study hard if the professor is shit.
Okay, so have you? Okay, please complete your.
Okay, so when it comes to opportunities, you have a lot of opportunities in tech field as well. There are a lot of common groups of my college in itself, in which we have hackathons, internship, all of these. So if you actually want to explore, then there are a lot of opportunities, and like मजा आता है. And when it comes to like co-curriculars as well, काफी societies होती हैं, कुछ societies dead भी होती हैं, so you can like freelance as well. यार time बहुत होता है आपके पास. With that amount of time you can do everything, but yeah, you get very tired if you're a scholar as well. बाकी लोग तो सांप होते हैं, लोग पहले भी सांप, लोग अब भी सांप हैं.
अच्छा, हम कहाँ पे थे? स्टार्टिंग हमने कहाँ से की थी?
कॉलेज कैसा है?
कॉलेज से पहले, हाँ.
College कैसा है is the title of her podcast. How's
Seriously?
college? Yeah.
Wow.
इसलिए उसके दिमाग में एक ही चीज घूम रही है, हाउस कॉलेज.
नहीं, I asked her ना कि कॉलेज कैसा है, कि मतलब because I'm gonna be entering the college life soon, तो I was excited, but
Next
let's
month
see.
you're in 12th? What?
नहीं, I have given my CUET examinations, like I've done my 12th. अब मैं
अच्छा,
कॉलेज में आऊंगा. हाँ.
Which college are you like? Which college are you anticipating to get in?
यार, I was anticipating Hindu College of DU, but
Which course?
BA History Honors.
History. Okay. Why though? Why?
Don't laugh.
और कुछ नहीं मिला यार.
नहीं, actually history is my first love, तो तभी.
First love.
अरे वो legit है.
Okay, but you, when it comes to like careers as well, do you want to go into tech field, right?
I don't care. Like history बस ऐसे ही है कि out of curiosity मैं कर रहा हूँ, बाकी तो बस अभी करियर हमको इसी में बनाना है जो हम कर रहे हैं अभी.
Actually, right now I'm studying medieval history, like the Turkish invasions and all. They're very fun.
Okay, fun. So,
do you have time to study all that in between, like?
I am actually studying for IAS as well.
अरे
yeah.
मैं ना मैं भाई जोक मारने वाला था, पता है अभी. मैं कहने वाला था कि इट्स फन फॉर हर बट जो जिन लोगों ने सफर किया होगा उनके लिए कहाँ से फन होगा, वो सब इन्वेजन्स एंड ऑल.
I mean, I like मेरे को ना ऐसे लड़ाई वड़ाई की चीजें बहुत पसंद है. I like these. It's very thrilling. So
Dipanshu, how do you earn money?
Yeah.
Are you earning some money or?
Actually, I'm sort of glad हमने इसके बारे में पहले बात नहीं की है. Anyway, so I am a full-time freelancer, a part-time job career. Anyways, so I work at a Sweden-based company. I wouldn't like to reveal the name, of course.
Alexa.
Sure. So yeah, I work as an AI engineer for that company, and I freelance. So I like, the thing is that paise kamana in this field, like if you know how to do the development wala part, app development, web development, and if you can build some AI ke saath cheeze or integrate AI into web development, like you can earn crazy amount of money freelancing में especially. You just need to find alag ways, because if you go to these websites freelancer या फिर Fiverr, इधर नहीं मिलने के chances भी बहुत ज़्यादा है unless you have a very good profile. But if you look at people who actually need to build these sort of websites, क्योंकि I target people who have their ambition, जिनको startup खोलना है. So I contact them before they've even launched their startup. तो उस टाइम पे I have a very good chance कि उनके लिए कोई और वेबसाइट नहीं बनाएगा, मैं ही बनाऊंगा, because I have contacted them पहले and they have trust. मैंने बात की हुई है पहले.
I actually attended a session for like how to get internships yesterday. I mean, it was good. Like I knew who were doing it, and they're actually very good people. So I trust whatever they say. So if you wanna connect to like new startups, there is Cutshot and Angel List. That's what I said. Like these are places where you can find like छोटे startup जिसमें like 1 से 10 लोग हों. So वहाँ पे basically your requirement will be good.
Actually, startups में hire होना, startups is a like very good option if you are looking for an internship and all. I recently hired someone मेरे लिए, like for the company that I work. Now they are a Sweden-based company, so like they are accepting people from throughout, like all over the world. So I got this 17 साल का बच्चा था. Okay, now he
तुझसे बड़ा है भाई, वो भैया बोलो सर.
हाँ, मैं वही बोलने वाली थी. 16 का है तो. भाई
ईरान में तो लड़ाई चल रही है.
वही तो ईरान का है. I didn't talk about that also.
अच्छा, उनको आता है ये सब.
Okay. Sorry. Don't worry.
Bro, sorry. Where is the bomb going, bro?
Actually,
price इतना हाई क्यों है bro? कम करवा यार. थोड़ा कोडिंग लगा थोड़ा.
Bro, I was like very shocked to know he like I had to take the interview. I was supposed to take the interview, and that guy was supposedly मतलब उसको लगा कि अप्रोच चल जाएगा यहाँ पे. So actually the thing was कि his cousin brother was working at our for us already. I don't know कि वो कैसे arrange किया उसने interview. So I like did not know a thing at all. So बाद में मेरे को उसके brother का call आया, मतलब not call, text आया, and he was like your interview is scheduled with him and now you need to pass him anyhow.
तू ना फारसी में चले गया, तूने brother नहीं, तूने बिरादर बोला अभी.
Biradar.
Irani,
Okay.
not Farsi.
Biradar, listen me out.
Yeah,
Hear me
yeah.
out. Oh shit.
Biradar.
Okay. So, and I got his text and he was like, okay, what? So, क्योंकि मैं उससे कुछ भी पूछ दे रहा था, मतलब कुछ भी, मतलब जो पूछना चाहिए वो पूछ दे रहा था, तो वो नहीं पूछना था एक्चुअली. एंड उसके बाद आई नो हाउ हैव आई पास्ड हिम, एंड देन आई टोल्ड द ओनर सेपरेटली कि भाई इसको हटाना है, तुमको जल्दी पड़ेगा. He does not know a shit. उसको फ्रंट एंड वाली टीम में हायर किया था, just like because अभी this they have not joined, like they have not like come, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, वो पब्लिक नहीं हुए अभी. Okay, so don't even have a website right now. So they're building the front end, and then basically they are a company that builds AI bots, if you know about bots. So like ChatGPT is a chatbot, and bot is another thing which can do things for you actually. Just a ChatGPT, a very famous example. Again, I have explained ऐसे ही अश्विन को भी. So if I ask ChatGPT to help me out with an email, the maximum like it can do is that it will provide me a draft and all, and it will ask me to send myself. But what a bot can do is it can actually send the mail to somebody. If I like, it will have the access to my computer, my browser basically. So whatever I ask it to do, it can do. For example, I ask it to refresh the YouTube video again and again just so I can gain more views, or to like multiple videos. I can do that by a bot. Like a bot is very powerful. So, but not everyone can build it because you need some graphics card and like you need a very good backend for that. So, सबके पास नहीं होता है, so the company will be providing the backend. So people can just come and get a bot made for themselves, and yeah, that's it. वो cloud पे चलेगा सारा. So people who do not have a very good computer या phone से भी people can access this service. So they like I am in the AI wala team, जो because we need an LLM that tells the computer what to do. So I am in that wala section. Now the front end team is working on making a website जो publicize करे उसका जो launch है उसको. They'll be launching in Sweden right now. ऐसे it's going. अभी अक्टूबर में expected है release. I don't know मैं तक टिकूंगा यहाँ पे नहीं.
भाई तुम दोनों ने मुझसे नहीं पूछा मैं पैसा कैसे कमा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
अच्छा, Ashwin Chaube, how are you earning money?
Okay, basically.
Chaube Ashwin.
It's Chavin Ashube. अच्छा, did you? नहीं वो नई रील देखी? हाँ, yes.
No, I haven't.
Okay, you should follow our page first of all.
I have.
Okay.
I have followed it as well.
अच्छा, Inglorious Bastard देखिए किसी ने?
कौन से Bastard?
Inglorious Bastard, directed by Quentin. अच्छा, फिर मैं वो context नहीं दे सकता.
भाई directed by कौन याद रखता है? एक मिनट. Did you say?
Three Glasses.
Directed by.
हाँ, directed by Quentin Tarantino.
भाई मुझे डायरेक्टर्स के नाम पे ना सिर्फ कैमरॉन ग्रीन याद है.
मुझे नहीं पता कौन है.
Okay.
Videographers, cameramen, directors के और cameramen सबके नाम याद रखते हैं. मेन कास्ट के नाम नहीं पता होंगे उनको, डायरेक्टर के नाम पता होंगे.
नहीं मैं ना like I consider myself as a cinephile, तो मुझे सबका पता रहता है. I'm more into Malayalam cinema. That's why I thought कि bro why are you sounding Mallu? क्योंकि they speak the like Mallu accent ऐसे ही आता है ना.
चार लोग ऊपर चढ़ गए ऐसे हमारा सब उड़ गए.
नहीं यार वो that is Tollywood पता है. Okay दीपांशु तू फ्रस्ट्रेट तो नहीं हो रहा?
नहीं मैं क्यों होऊंगा?
नहीं Mollywood is a really good क्या कहते हैं. अच्छा एक बात बता दो दीपांशु. Look at his face bro. तो Mollywood is basically the best out of India जो कि प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है. तो you guys should see Malayalam films, ठीक है? I have a good collection of Malayalam films.
No thank you.
अरे भाई they are the best. भाई दृश्यम देखी है तूने?
I'm not into movies अभी. I'm not into movies.
हाँ you are into JE, ठीक है? तो
yeah.
अच्छा basically I earn through a company. So क्या बोलेंगे इसको? तो वो एक apparel brand है and these guys have contacted me कि bro like not contacted but मुझे एक referral से मिला कि bro कि ऐसा edit करना पड़ेगा और plus मैं I do freelance for some companies, not companies but some clients. And
so what do you do, like reel editor?
Yep, video editor or reel editor. So I'm
okay. One more thing, sorry, just here. तुम दोनों भी मेरे podcast पे आओगे because I wanna. Yeah. उसका नाम ही teenage rant है, ठीक है?
We are teenagers that are ranting. So.
Yeah. I mean, technically, I'm still a teenager. 18 की तो हूँ, चलो
हाँ
ठीक, works.
ओके
works.
सो ये लाइव होगा या फिर ऐसे ही जैसे हम अभी कर रहे हैं?
नहीं वो
नहीं
रिकॉर्ड ही होगा.
ऐसे होगा भाई, लाइव तो
लाइव नहीं, लाइव ऐसा नहीं कह रहा हूँ, लाइक दिल्ली में होगा या फिर
Spotify.
अरे
अच्छा
still
अच्छा,
record.
he means मिलके. अच्छा, we
Yeah.
can do मिल, that's not an issue.
हम्म।
But I think it would be better on the meet as well, क्योंकि 3 लोग बैठते हैं ना, फिर माइक कहाँ से लाओगे? अब
हाँ.
हर के कॉलर में तो नहीं लगाओगे ना ईयरबड, और 3
Right.
तो कनेक्ट होते नहीं है.
अरे यार ठीक है भाई, बेइज्जती हो रही है यहाँ पे मेरी।
नहीं पता है. I
Yeah,
mean,
that's a good जुगाड़ यार. That's a very good जुगाड़.
हाँ यार, इंडियंस।
Indians.
अच्छा, वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम? आई
Guess.
गेस।
Guess. Yeah.
यार उत्तरकाशी।
Don't say Telangana. Don't say Telangana.
उत्तरकाशी।
Dipanshu, I think you know, right?
I do know that.
उत्तरकाशी।
No.
ब्रो तूने बोला था कि लाइक क्या बोला था, मैं भूल गया यार।
मैंने?
I've lived in Uttarakhand for 2 years. Yeah, I think I told.
Yeah.
Take your wildest guess, like the craziest shit you can
शक्ल
think.
देख के क्या लगता है कहाँ से ये?
शक्ल देख के क्या बोलता है भाई?
अरे से ना कुछ भी.
दिल्ली।
कुछ भी.
दिल्ली.
Delhi. Oh my God, bro.
अरे दिल्ली is still better. Delhi is still better.
बेटर मतलब ऐसा ऐसा
वो
क्या
यूपी
है?
की है, पर लोग बोल कहीं कहीं की देते हैं.
अच्छा हाँ, यू प्लेड कजरी ना, हारमोनियम, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर दैट डे। हाँ अच्छा है।
Tuk tuk, bro. You also play the same instrument. Tuk tuk.
नहीं नहीं, आई वाज एक्चुअली
I expected that.
नहीं, मैं बस वो म्यूजिक को याद कर रहा था। आई एम सॉरी, आई रिस्पेक्ट दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट, ठीक है। मैं ये कह रहा था, वेस्ट साइड ऑफ यूपी और द ईस्ट साइड ऑफ यूपी?
No, I'm from UP only. I don't know West East. I'm from Mathura. My father is from Mathura, Agarwal, and my mother is from Bulandshahr.
Yes, have you been there? Like any of those two places?
Sorry?
Any of those two places? Have you been there?
I have been to all of those places.
Niharika. Okay, you need to tell us about how how you shifted from your school life to college life.
Shifted?
मतलब कैसा transition था वो? First of all, like JEE हटा के.
Okay, I went into college with a very restricted mindset, I would say, because in JEE, what you have to do is you have to focus on one thing. You have only one task. ठीक है, पढ़ो, rank निकालनी है क्योंकि, ठीक है. But in college, it's not like that. You have to focus on your CGPA. नहीं गिरने दे सकते, ठीक है. क्योंकि अगर गिर गई तो फिर like I mean बहुत effect नहीं होगा, but the point is you have other semesters coming up, तो उनमें cope up कर सकते हो, ठीक है. The second thing is you have a lot of opportunities to explore, but if you don't allow yourself to explore ना, तो बहुत ही shitty situation हो जाती है. There is a lot of politics, like within the students, within the societies, within the teachers as well, like professors. So yeah, that's one thing. The college in itself, if you're in a good college, it provides you with a lot of opportunities, like research internships. Paid तो नहीं ही देंगे, और
college में तो
yeah, you can TNP cell. That is one of the greatest things. Like TNP cell is the cell basically in the college which is responsible for your internships, like paid internships and placements through the college. And if you have good connections there, it will help you in 3rd and 4th year. I didn't even know what was the meaning of TNP cell in first semester, to be honest.
Okay.
What's the full form? TNP is
training and placement cell.
Okay, cool. Yeah. ये तो हर यूनिवर्सिटी में होता ही है शायद.
And like मतलब first semester is like chill, I guess I would say. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पढ़ाएंगे, तुम्हारा थोड़ा 11th 12th का बेस भी रखेंगे वो. But they will, if you're in a good college, they will introduce you to the new things in your field. क्योंकि it's a rule, I guess. Like,
उधर भी टाइम ही होता है, फर्स्ट ईयर में ही टाइम होता है to introduce new things also.
यार गुड कॉलेज से मुझे हिंदू का याद आ जाता है, पता है, फिर मेरा दिल टूट जाता है.
हुआ क्या? Why so sad about Hindu?
Basically what happened is that bro, CUET में ना, like I solved all the PYQs, but my shift was very hard, like, और बहुत deep पूछे थे उन्होंने questions, तो PYQs से तो कुछ आया नहीं था. I was expecting कि English में vocab सही होगी, ठीक है, but like it was super, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, super, I don't know the word, ठीक है. तभी मेरे vocabulary section पूरा गया, ठीक है. और ठीक है तो
Super वो explains the hard vocabulary honestly.
शिट ओके तो हिंदू का तो गया सपना इवन दो मैं गया था अभी जब मैं लास्ट टाइम अभी दिल्ली आया था तो हिंदू देखा बस अच्छा लगा वो कि बस देख लिया हो गया वाला ठीक सीन था बट अब देखते हैं कि भगवान भरोसे
Don't say that, like all the best.
Me after
All the
seeing
best.
IIT Delhi.
अच्छा ये
देखो,
ट्रांजिशन कैसे हुआ लाइक आईएएस में यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर आईएएस एज वेल सो
Okay, I wanted to be an IS since fourth, fifth grade. Since I got to know about it. अब मेरे पिताजी ना IES है, ठीक है? तो IES के बारे में सुनना इज अ डे टू डे थिंग, ठीक है? लाइक दृष्टि IES के इंटरव्यूज रैंडमली टीवी पे चल जाते हैं, है ना? और लाइक वो शॉर्ट क्लिप्स जो वीडियोस होती है मेरे पापा व्हाट्सएप के फैमिली ग्रुप पे भेजते हैं, ठीक है? आई नो ईच एंड एवरी सिस्टम, लाइक आई इवन हैव अ प्रायोरिटी डिसाइडेड भाई, और वो भी छठी कक्षा से मेरे को ये बनना है, ये बनना है। So yeah, I knew about it for a long while, but as of right now, I talked to one of the people who have cracked IAS quite a few times, not just once. Like, he has cleared pre. If you know, there's pre, then there's main, and then there is the interview. Yeah. So he has cracked pre and mains a lot of the times. He was left in interview part. Interview is kind of difficult because it's very like on the spot kind of thing, right? So yeah, he told me that if you want to prep for IAS, you can do it in your college life as well. Just I left out the first semester because I was also like trying to settle into the college environment, right? It would have been very hectic if I was trying to like juggle IAS with academics, with societies, and like with opportunities. Though मैंने कोई opportunities explore नहीं की, I was just depressed. Yeah, but as of right now, I think I'm just doing it, and I have like a foundation course for that.
Acha, what is an IES?
IES.
I know IES. I know IRS is Revenue Services. What is an IES?
IES is Indian Engineering Services.
Okay.
Every department of India requires engineers, right? And the engineer my father is specific to mechanical. Okay. Right? He works in Border Roads Organization. Specifically, Border Roads Organization is a part of Army, you can say. So what he has to do is he has to approve machineries. He has to approve officers who are working on the site.
That's cool.
Just have to, yeah.
Okay, let's go ahead with college wala thing. Dipanshu.
Yeah.
IIT Delhi or Japan? Japan? Shit. I was gonna say Japanese, but वो Japan निकल गया, आधा ही निकल गया.
Actually, I'm not worrying about the college I'm gonna be in right now, क्योंकि भाई बहुत unpredictable है. I'll of course मैं हाथ पैर मारूंगा if I can get out of India. I don't think so. I don't really think so कि मैं जा पाऊंगा. Touchwood जा पाए तो बढ़िया बात है. इंडिया में हुआ तो I'll again try JEE से जो भी होता है. So I'm not worrying about जो भी होना है अभी 12th के बाद. जो होना है वो हो जाएगा.
Okay.
I'll try my best.
On that, bro, me and one of my friends have the same issue. Like obviously we are very glad that we got IGDTU में
CSC.
Why we are glad? Because we were actually also prepping for university out of India. Right? I gave SATs and I had like co-curriculars. मेरे बहुत co-curriculars.
We had a proper conversation about going out of India.
Yeah, we did. And you remember? I think I was very thrilled about it at that time.
Yeah.
कौन सा वाला भी?
हार्वर्ड से नीचे तो बात ही नहीं.
कौन सा वाला भी?
Harvard and like Harvard का basically engineering college उतना famous नहीं है, law है and like medical है, but MIT works.
अच्छा, is it Michigan or Michigan या Massachusetts?
Massachusetts है.
मैं last time confuse हो गया था.
It's all right. I didn't know either. So yeah, the point is that the main problems comes out to be universities will accept you. It's very easier. It's easier to get into outside of the India's universities rather than India ki university because the examination is so hard. But I am telling you, they will see your co-curriculars, they will see your marks, and they will see the way you express yourself. And SAT के marks and IELTS तो necessary होता है कि तुम्हारी अंग्रेजी अच्छी होनी चाहिए.
अब नहीं है.
अब नहीं है?
No.
पहले था.
TOEFL IELTS नहीं अब से है.
Okay. मेरे टाइम पे था. So basically, if you have
Feeling
good
old.
knowledge, you're done, bro. I had a friend. He was so dumb. I'm telling you. The only thing he had
Money?
was 98 marks in 12th grade. He
Okay.
got into University of Toronto. You
Oh.
know, why? Okay, why? He has money. He comes from money. His brother is also in University of Toronto, but he's not doing a good course, I guess. But yeah, these people have no extra curriculars. He did none, bro, none. Like I met him
How
on the.
much money does he have, bro? Even for a good like upper middle class family in India, it's
He
a
has
lot, yeah.
he has enough. He has enough, bro.
God,
And
I remember you had mentioned your क्या कहते हैं अमीर के 14 friends ना when we were discussing about vocabulary.
नहीं उसकी नहीं है अच्छी. वो उसकी हरकतें एकदम जाट छप टाइप की हैं.
how
अरे
you got
यार
into Toronto?
जाट and NCR.
Bro, I don't want to go to America actually. मतलब I'll try something out of America.
It's easier to get in
Trump
Germany.
administration won't let you.
Germany बढ़िया है.
Yeah, but you just need to know German.
Valid.
I was looking for TUM. TUM is very good. Very good.
TUMS?
TUM is Technical University of Munich शायद.
Munich.
Munich.
Okay. So sorry.
Yeah.
So the advice is basically if you want to apply for outside of the India like colleges, first of all अपना fund ना कहीं से prep करवा लियो. Because even if you get a good scholarship like 80% scholarship, you will require 25 crores.
Crores?
Crores for the dorms, for the food, because तुम्हें वहीं से मिलेगा. And उनका बढ़िया होता है, but the point is बहुत expensive होता है.
Germany का it's like the education is free. You just need to take care of the रहना खाना पीना.
अच्छा.
You can do that वहाँ पे काम करके भी. Okay, but initially you'll need some support.
Obviously.
That's the thing. And you know, for a student who's like जो bachelors के लिए बाहर जा रहा है, parents के लिए और tension होती है.
Actually that's why my parents denied. Like I had like 1 month only for JEE and I hadn't prepped good, obviously. So they were like, बेटा तुम बैचलर्स के लिए तो नहीं जा रही हो बाहर. I was like, हाँ थोड़ा और जल्दी बता देते, है ना? Like 2 दिन पहले ही बता दो ना. That was like a very breaking point for me because I had to like, okay, if I am to tell, I'm not gonna tell my percentage, but you can say I increased my percentage from my first attempt to the second attempt by 50%.
I met you when you were going for your first attempt by exam.
Yeah.
I met at the metro station.
It went very shit. I increased it to like the first attempt to the second attempt. It was like a 50 percentile ka increase.
Yeah.
Because on the second time I had to prep.
I still remember the day I met the education minister. PPC चल रहा था उस time.
Yeah.
Okay.
परीक्षा पे चर्चा.
I was going to the
Bro, it's in PPC. It sounds cool, bro.
क्या?
bro. परीक्षा पे चर्चा, bro.
इसने ना बायो पे लिखा है PPC with PM तो उसको वही याद रहता है.
मुझे नहीं भाई.
मुझे PPC याद रहता है.
समझ में नहीं आया तो PPC है क्या?
PPC क्या है? मतलब परीक्षा पे चर्चा क्या है?
यार please don't discuss KV वाला things right now. I'm so done with KV, please.
यार KV is good यार. मतलब
नहीं KV is good but PPC यार वो PM मोदी ने बहुत पकाया भाई, बहुत हो गया like.
धूप में बैठना पड़ता था वो.
हाँ तो हुआ भी नहीं.
यार हमें क्या पता, हमें क्या पता.
कौन से धूप में बैठा रहे हैं? एक मिनट, धूप में कैसे बैठा रहे हैं?
भाई हमें ग्राउंड में बैठाया उन्होंने परीक्षा पे चर्चा देखने.
मैं तो असेंबली वाले में था तो मैं स्टेज पे रहता था तो वो तो एक प्रिविलेज है.
मैं भी असेंबली में ही थी भाई लेकिन they don't care.
God damn it भाई, so bad.
I know. Bro, okay. I'll tell you, you are in the best of the KVs. तेरा सबसे नया KV है, ठीक है? His KV looks like भाई कोई IT की बहुत बड़ी सी कंपनी. I am telling you that. The building so crazy, ठीक है? The teachers so crazy.
Went to our school?
So crazy.
Have you come to our school?
I have not, but I have Googled it. I have like.
Okay.
But I know a few people from your school as well, so yeah.
Great. From my school.
Achha, if we are talking about scholarships, so are you guys aware of the Knight Hennessy scholarship by Harvard or Stanford? I exactly don't remember the university, but Knight Hennessy scholarship provides you 100% scholarship for the PhD programs. Plus, if you have 2 kids, they'll sponsor them. If you have a wife, they'll sponsor her as well. So basically, they'll pay for your domicile, they'll pay for your food, everything. बस तुमको क्या करना है कि समाज सेवा के लिए काम करना है और लाइक यूनिवर्सिटी का नाम रोशन करना है सिर्फ पीएचडी प्रोग्राम्स के लिए. सो दिस इज अ क्या कहते हैं गुड ऑप्शन फॉर दोज पीपल हु आर गेटिंग इनटू लाइक पीएचडी प्रोग्राम, क्योंकि इंडिया में तो कुछ सीन है नहीं. लाइक दे विल गिव यू 35,000 और 40,000 स्टाइपेंड ऑन पेपर, वो भी मिलना है नहीं महीने पे. तो अगर हो जाता है तो इट इज गुड, वरना भाई करो फिर इंडिया में ही.
Niharika, you study in IGTTOW, right? It's a college for women, a tech college for women. So like मेरे को पर्सनली इस कॉलेज के बारे में नहीं पता था कि ऐसे भी कॉलेज होते हैं जो सिर्फ मतलब इस फील्ड में, दिल्ली में टेक की फील्ड में आर फॉर women only वाले कॉलेजेस. So can you tell me more about that?
Okay, so IGTTUW stands for Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. It is established where the initial DCE was established, you know, Delhi College of Engineering. So the Purani building of that is our main campus, right? Yeah. So it is, I guess, as the same time as DTU only, it has been established. And it focuses on basically the betterment for women in tech field only. Our placements are very crazy. If you were to be a guy in 12th grade, I guess, then you would have known about about IGTU, but you would have been sad कि नहीं यार मेरे को ये कॉलेज नहीं मिला क्योंकि मैं औरत नहीं. Because our college had better placements last year than IIT Delhi, and एक लिस्ट निकलती है हर साल की एवरेज पैकेज ऑफ द कॉलेज, तो हमारी निकली थी. एंड यू कांट बी बायस्ड इन दैट क्योंकि वो ऊपर से ही बन के आता है लाइक द
yes.
So the IGDTU's name recently have been rising a lot due to, first of all, the society, second of all, greatly of all, because of the placements and the students that are coming out of this college, third of all, obviously empowerment के ऊपर अब धीरे धीरे तो चल ही रहा है, तो इस वजह से भी IGDTU का नाम काफी हो रहा है.
That's good.
Well spoken, yaar.
Okay, what is one thing that is scaring you the most when it comes to going to college?
Who?
Few. What?
Who?
Let's start with Dipanshu, since you are abhi thoda dur.
What's scaring me when it comes to going to college? Maybe what college I'll be in. Not scared. मतलब ऐसा डर वर नहीं है. Okay, I know I'll land at a good place. Yeah, even if I don't, I'll make the best use of, you know, my skills there. Scariest part क्या है? Having a good scary ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
Okay, one thing you wonder, let's say then.
हाँ.
One thing you wonder about.
कि कैसा होगा ऐसा, like I mean, I imagine happening to me in the college life, right? I wonder कि मेरा peer group कैसा होगा, especially like you know I want to live in a hostel, so I wonder कैसा होगा मेरा आसपास का, मतलब what people will be around me. I really want कि अच्छे लोग हो, like ambitious लोग कि they would also, you know, want to work, not like कि आ गया पैसा खर्च करना, engineering करनी है वाले stuff. I don't want people like that. I don't want to talk to people like that. I just hate people who don't have an ambition.
Okay, so what about you, Ashwin Chauve?
Basically, mine is the same because I also I'm very concerned about my peers. कि bro, like our concern is the same. कि bro, I hate क्या कहते हैं, the people who are not ambitious. I'm exactly replicating your sentence, but yes, I क्या कहते हैं, क्या बोलेंगे उसको?
अरे भाई इसकी
वो जो नहीं वो जो ब्लैक लोग नहीं बोलते यूएस में कि you feel me, हाँ या you feel me, वही वाला प्रिज्म ब्रेक में. बाय द वे प्रिज्म ब्रेक देखिए तुम में से किसी ने?
No.
यार you guys are missing the क्या कहते हैं, one of the best content, not content but like क्या बोलेंगे इसको? प्रिज्म ब्रेक का नाम सुना है?
No.
अरे यार you guys are missing a lot. Prison Break is a TV show.
Series है.
Yeah, with 4 seasons. उसमें एक बंदा होता है माइकल स्कोफील्ड, उसके भाई को यूएस की जेल में डाल देते हैं फॉर लाइक उसका भाई एक फ्रेम हो चुका है कि भाई उसने मर्डर किया बट उसने किया नहीं होता है, फिर उसको वो जेल से छुड़वाता है और अपेरेंटली जो छुड़वाता है उसी ने उस जेल का डिजाइन किया होता है. तो अगर ट्रेलर देख लिया तो फिर वो हुक हो जाओगे. जैसे ब्रेकिंग बैड तो देखी होगी.
वो देखा है. द स्ट्रेंजर थिंग्स देखे है.
चारों सीजन देखे.
आई हैव टू से कि थोड़ा कंटेंट निकाल लो क्योंकि तुम बातू नहीं हो रहे हो.
आई गेस हो गया है कंटेंट.
हो तो गया है.
देखते हैं आगे कुछ मिलता है तो इट्स ओके. लेट्स एंड इट एट 3:30 बोल रहा हूं, 11:35 ish.
Okay, I do have a question for you guys, which I forgot. Wait, let me remember. um, what is your comment when it comes to Gen Z? Like, क्या
Gen
कहना
Z.
है? हाँ, Gen Z.
We ourselves are Gen Zs, right?
Yeah, we Gen Zs are like from 1998 to 2008. Yeah, 2008.
कितना नहीं पता है भाई मुझे 2008
2011 I guess.
ये मैं 9 का हूँ.
No. Till 8, I guess.
मैं
Not
9 का हूँ.
तू Gen
wait.
X है. नहीं, not
See,
Gen
मैं
X.
Gen X हूँ.
ये बच्चा.
I'm like 9 का January. So
भाई
9 का
कौन पता मुझे.
एक मिनट.
Okay. So, Ashwin Chaubey, what is your thoughts on like the
Ashwin, you
different?
answer. I'll be back. Huh? Same
Okay,
question.
okay, sir. So,
So,
mhm.
okay, I'll ask the question. There has been a thing going around about depression, opinions, boundaries, all of these new terms that have been so prominent when it comes to the local vocabulary of a Gen Z.
Yeah.
So what are your opinions on these?
If a person is experiencing all this, so then it is okay कि bro हाँ you are in depression and all that. But if a person is using these terms just to क्या कहते हैं, just to represent himself as a cool kid, because these terms are synonymous to cool things. ठीक है कि bro मुझे depression था and now I need therapy and all this. तो I really don't think कि like people should do this. अगर किसी बंदे को like if a person has depression, so then it is okay. But if you are being like, if you are flexing, if you are boosting your depression, like my peers do it कि bro मुझे depression, मैं depression में था and like I took therapy and this and that. अब मैं बाहर हूँ, like they boosted like कि bro it was a good phase ऐसे करके. But जो originally जो seriously जाते हैं उनके लिए like it is difficult for them because मेरे जो कुछ serious दोस्त हैं वो जा चुके हैं. So I know that phase क्योंकि like मैं भी थोड़ा सा था. I don't know. अच्छा
Okay.
सार्थक है
Actually,
वैसे.
Gen Z is 1997 to 2012.
2012. Okay, I was wrong.
ये किसका फोन है?
My mother's.
अच्छा ये टिंग टंग. Okay. Yeah. What was the question though?
My question is, how do you differentiate between the कि जिनको ऐसे experience हो रहा है और जो serious है? What is the borderline?
Serious about?
Serious about कि इनको depression हो रखा है, ये तो मजे से बोल रहे हैं, या फिर इनको seriously है. So what is
you don't go ranting about the seriousness of your depression when you're actually in depression. You don't go ranting about it.
Not true. Okay, see, I have seen people who have actually tried to. The difference between rant and trying to get help is very different. Okay, like I also used to think like you only, but the more people I talk to, the more people I saw who are actually depressed and that they are like clinically, what do you call, diagnosed? Yeah, that they are depressed. They still want help. They still seek out help, but then it sounds like rant only, right?
Actually, the thing is that I have not met a person who's certified, clinically been proven as
people who have like
someone who is depressed. मैं वैसे कभी इससे मिला नहीं हूँ. This term is like थोड़ा अभी common हो गया है. जो लोग उसका exact meaning समझ नहीं पाते तो they say that I'm depressed or whatsoever.
Yeah. I mean, I'm depressed is like these days for Gen Z it's synonymous for.
Yeah, it's like actually it's way too much.
Yeah, it's like
initially I used to think ना कि this is all क्या कहते हैं, this is all delusional, ठीक है. But when I met people who are in depression, then I got to know कि bro, this is some like real shit is going on, ठीक है. In their minds and everything. कि bro, like they used to cry. I know some people, I've interacted with them. Like even in calls, like if I'm talking to them, they'll speak of their क्या कहते हैं grievances and everything, and they'll start crying कि bro this has happened and that has happened. So then I know कि bro हाँ they are in depression ऐसे करके. But like those people who boast like कि भाई मैं ऐसे में था, मतलब ऐसे नहीं कि like एक तो सटल तरीके से बताते हैं, दे आर लाइक जेन्युइन वंस, बट जो बूस्ट करते हैं कि भाई ऐसा हो गया था उसके बाद मैं डिप्रेशन में चले गया ऐसे करके. सो वो लाइक मुझे वो लोग पसंद नहीं है क्योंकि लाइक दे ट्राई टू बूस्ट दैट लाइफस्टाइल जो कि असली बंदा फेस कर रहा है. तो दैट इज नॉट अ गुड थिंग फॉर मी.
So you asked about my opinion on Gen Zs, right?
Okay, Dipanshu Jha, what is your opinion when it comes to Gen Z slangs and like depression and like mental health?
The generation, where are we heading as a generation? Gen Z.
Where we are heading as a generation.
I think like the future is very bright and dark as well. But just like any other generation, okay, we don't know where we are going to land, but at this like इस stage में ना things are कुछ ऐसे कि बहुत जल्दी changes आ रहे हैं, especially when there is this AI world. फिर उसके बाद जो चीजें हमें अभी देखने के लिए मिल रही है, नए crimes आ रहे हैं, and then नए trends आ रहे हैं. Oh my God भाई, और लोगों को especially इंडिया में इतना जल्दी चेंज आया है ना इन सब चीजों में, the trends. लोग किसको फॉलो कर रहे हैं, प्लस द वेस्टर्न कल्चर जितना, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट इट्स बैड, ऑफ कोर्स पीपल वुड डू व्हाटएवर दैट दे वांट टू डू, उसके लिए वी कांट स्टॉप देम, बट देयर इज अ वे जो कि मतलब पता है एक जगह चेंज आना होता है, इट्स लाइक सटल, थोड़ा धीरे होता है, बट इन इंडिया इट लाइक इतना जल्दी आया, इतना रैपिड आया, नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. उसके बाद भी because I personally believe that America is the sort of leader of all this. Okay. इंडिया के लिए तो है, इंडिया के लिए है, बाकी कंट्रीज दे डोंट फॉलो, दे माइट नॉट बी फॉलोइंग अमेरिका एज मच, उसके लोग या बच्चे, बट इंडिया में पीपल आर डेफिनेटली गोइंग आफ्टर व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन अमेरिका. ओके, जो वहां हो रहा है दैट्स कूल, दे लाइक दैट्स हाउ दे थिंक द जेन जीज. एंड उसके बाद फिर दे आर टेकिंग द लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ फ्रीडम को ना, वो कुछ ऐसे ले जाते हैं कि वी कैन डू व्हाटएवर वी वांट. उसके बाद वो दे डोंट डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन व्हाट्स राइट एंड व्हाट, मतलब जस्ट बिकॉज यू कैन डू एवरीथिंग यू शुड नॉट डू एवरीथिंग. यू लाइक दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. वो कर रहे हैं कि मतलब उनको लग रहा है कि हम कर सकते हैं तो क्यों नहीं करें. फिर मजे के चक्कर में ना एक ही लाइफ है वगैरह वगैरह वाला जो शिट आता है. दैट इज राइट, यू शुड एंजॉय योर लाइफ, बट नॉट इन अ वे जिससे किसी और को प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. एंड देन यू कांट, मतलब मजे के लिए यू कांट जस्ट डू थिंग्स दैट आर इमोरल. वो अब ज्यादा कॉमन हो गया है इस जनरेशन में, डेफिनेटली.
वो थोड़ा प्रेशर हट चुका है ना वो पेरेंट्स वाला, क्योंकि हमसे पहले वाली जो मिलेनियम वाली जनरेशन थी ना, द वन पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर दैट दे हैड वाज कि घर वालों को खुश रखना है, घर वालों की बात माननी है. सेइंग नो वाज अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर देम, बट नाउ सेइंग नो इज वेरी कॉमन.
दोनों में पता है, दोनों में डिसएडवांटेजेस एडवांटेजेस है.
हाँ, डेफिनेटली है. वी स्पीक आउट मोर, वी पुट आवर प्रॉब्लम्स आउट मोर, बट वी आल्सो लोड आवरसेल्व्स मोर. Then millennia के ऊपर प्रेशर था that you have to get out of this rut. Even if you are in one, you don't even have the place to be. But in Gen Z, you have so much time, you have so much, I would say, resources. Honestly, everybody has so many resources. And even when it comes to like, I have seen people, I have been with friends who have so much money, and like their family has so much money. Every house has fights. Okay.
Yeah.
And they're just ranting about it constantly. They have better. One of the girls has M4 Air, okay, and she has a Apple ka phone, and she has Apple ke headphones and earbuds, both of them. Like even after that, she is like, "मेरे घर में लड़ाइयाँ होती हैं." And for them, I just want to tell them कि यार these are basic things. हर किसी के घर में होती है, but कोई कहता नहीं है.
Yeah.
If you think you are the only person suffering, that is not true. I just want to humble people. कि जो बोल नहीं पा रहे ना, उनको मैं बोलूंगी कि थोड़ा बोलो, और जो ज्यादा चुप रहो, ठीक है, सबके साथ.
Exactly. You can't be perfect like किसी भी terms में.
Yeah.
No one is perfect. सबके पास प्रॉब्लम है, किसी के पास पैसे की प्रॉब्लम है तो किसी के पास हेल्थ की है.
Yeah. I learned this line कि the grass is not greener on the other side. The grass is greener when you water it.
Yeah.
And that struck me very hard because it's true. And one thing also that struck me hard was कि Gen Z and the upcoming generations are going to be one of the most loneliest generations. Even after having so much of connectivity and like, you know, global connectivity basically.
Right.
Yeah. So that's very, you can say depressing. There is a term going around, touch the grass. That basically means be humbled, right? Why is it starting? Like if you would have said that in millennial generation, they would be like, क्या भाई घास में ही तो बैठे हैं, क्या बोल रहे हो, right? That wouldn't have made sense.
वो समझते भी नहीं उस टाइम पे.
वो नहीं समझते. Right now they don't understand it. Like basic human activities have been neglected so much that having that, it's like we are living in a box, right? Like a dark box में रह रहे हो तुम. A Gen Z's life is just a dark box. We all are in rooms. Almost like two of the people here have headphones on, right? Do you like genuinely just for 15 to 20 minutes of your day listen to birds, listen to like fucking air?
No.
You don't, and that's not true. Like I ended up having some ear problem due to that. I cannot apply, like I cannot use earbuds.
Okay. That's why I use headphones, because I also had this the problem
as well. Even then I had that problem.
But you used like sort of थोड़ा ज़्यादा वाला वो ना, थोड़ा ज़्यादा you used earbuds.
I used both, and in both of the times I had the same problem. So inevitably the doctor told me कि मत ही use कर भाई तू, तेरे कान चले जाएंगे. So like I would just say like living in real life, living in present, that is what is missing in Gen Z. Like even our parents watch shorts and all, they watch movies for a long while.
Yeah,
so much of like
it's like scrolling has been introduced to everyone now, na?
You know, even I try to क्या कहते हैं detoxify myself, नहीं, not in terms of alcohol but in terms of scrolling, ठीक है, like I want in terms of scrolling मैंने बोला, ठीक है, it's a new term.
Legal age आई नहीं है, बस भाई 21 है legal age.
हाँ, अरे नहीं, मैं I'm just saying I try to detoxify myself from the scrolling वाला, क्या कहते हैं इसको, एक वो बन गया है ना क्या, एडिक्शन, ठीक है. तो ये लाइक आई टेंड टू वॉच मोर लॉन्गर फिल्म्स, ठीक है, बीट ऑफ 3 आवर 2.5 लाइक 3.5 घंटे की, 4 घंटे की, बिकॉज आई वांट टू क्या कहते हैं फोकस ऑन द फिल्म. आई वांट टू क्या कहते हैं उसको, अटेंशन स्पैन को बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ मैं, कि भाई मुझे नहीं देखनी है छोटी रील्स. और
अटेंशन स्पैन इज आल्सो वेरी बिग प्रॉब्लम, वी शुड टॉक अबाउट इट.
Okay, reel wali problem na, I never had it because I've never watched Instagram.
I don't scroll, okay, I don't scroll.
I don't either.
I do आजकल.
Scroll on was like YouTube shorts or not even scroll. It's like laptop पे हूँ ना मैं, तो मेरे को 2-3 interesting अपनी field से कुछ shorts दिख जाएंगे, so I'll just watch those, right? So first thing you can do is like, you didn't ask for solution, but I'm just telling you, कि just like limit the field that you are going to watch your shorts in.
Yeah.
And second of all, उसमें भी बहुत ज़्यादा हो सकता है. For me, it's like food. Food is like good food, and tech or like calisthenics. Other than that, I don't want.
Now the thing is, like कभी-कभी होता है ना, when you're actually wanting to study कुछ एक चीज, and then you see the home page YouTube का, and then बाकी सारी चीजें आती है, and you
get distracted,
clicking at one of the videos, and then you start watching it. फिर इसको खत्म करके करेंगे, फिर another video and all, like जो भी होता है. So उसको tackle करने के लिए there are a lot of
extensions.
Yeah,
I use them.
Home page ही disable कर देते हैं.
Tell me about it.
Maybe I must be having one.
अच्छा, do we have Brave for macOS?
Yes.
Yeah. Everything works on macOS, bro.
अरे no, you cannot pirate softwares ना.
I mean, technically.
Not technically भी भाई.
Common public stuff.
Actually, but building apps also, packages also for Macs. Like अभी मैं I have been into software वाला, proper software वाला चीज़ है ना, Windows के लिए apps, C# और Swift तो उसके लिए है. Yeah, so
के लिए है.
हाँ.
Swift iOS के लिए है भाई.
हाँ, Swift is for iOS. But मैंने macOS के packages देखे. They are sort of similar to Linux, but बहुत complicated है to actually get to work. मतलब they just नहीं चल के देगा.
Okay. I mean, yeah, okay. I had mobile application development subject, right? This semester, I think I told you about that.
Yeah.
The teacher is so shitty. She doesn't even know how to use the language in itself on like Windows. मेरे को Mac पे कैसे सिखाएगी वो? उसने मेरे मुंह पे बोल दिया, ओ तुम्हारे पास तो Mac है, मुझे नहीं पता कैसे यूज करते हैं. And I was like, bro, I don't know one fucking word of Kotlin. Not even Swift. I don't know anything. And that's because क्योंकि मेरे पास Mac है तो bias है.
Hey, you guys are like they're teaching you code वाला, like proper coding Kotlin का?
Yeah.
हाँ.
But they didn't. The lab teacher said this is not my forte.
Like first of all, they'll teach you how to set up an environment. That's okay. Proper coding you'll need to learn by yourself. वो थोड़ा बहुत सिखा देंगे, I know. Basic वाला industry level you'll need to learn yourself.
Obviously, इतना तो नहीं सिखा पाएंगे.
यार, we guys are so diverted from our topic ना. Originally we had planned कि we'll speak about.
Actually वो पता है topic अश्विन हो गया है.
Can you sing a song for us?
हाँ, please do.
With your.
अभी.
Ukulele.
Yeah, uke.
Okay.
Get it.
और ये फिल्टर हटा देना यार, फिर वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा.
नहीं, that's okay. अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Leave it.
Okay.
Hi.
क्या गाना है? मेरे ना गाल दर्द हो रहे हैं, इतना हंस चुकी हूँ
मैं भी.
इतना नहीं हंसी.
Okay, Ashwin, you recommend something ना?
यार मैं तो तमिल गाने सुन रहा हूँ आजकल, रहमान के जो ओरिजिनल थे ना.
Don't. हम लोग
कहना ही क्या
Do you know something in Hindi?
What?
पारो आता है।
अरे यार ये पारो, ये
A minor, D minor, C.
दीपांशु भी मुझे पारो ही सुना रहा है यार, निहारिका भी मुझे पारो ही सुना रही है। इंस्टाग्राम पे जाओ वहां भी पारो सुन रहा हूँ, यूट्यूब पे जाओ वहां भी पारो सुन रहा हूँ। चलो चलो
यार सच नहीं आता मुझे। रिपटाइड तो सुना ही होगा सबने।
Yeah, give A minor, give A minor.
Oh shit,
Give
the fuck.
you what?
A
नहीं
minor,
वो
A minor.
मेरा ट्राइपॉड।
ये अब कुछ होश नहीं है, तुझको पिला देगा। ये वो
Yeah.
ये वो
अच्छा
What were the notes? Minor?
A minor, D minor, D minor, then F, then C,
Wait.
then down upchuck.
होश नहीं है। I don't know भाई, मैंने सुना भी नहीं है।
भाई, he's a proper guitar guy.
कौन?
Damn.
Ashwin.
अच्छा थैंक्स, I try.
I was scared of dentists and the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. All my friends are turning green, and you're the musician, this is tennis in his dreams. They come and stop. Layla running down to the riptide, taken away to the dark side. I'm gonna be your left-hand man. I'll love you when you sing that song, yeah. I'm gonna lump in my throat, 'cause
You should join the band, पता है?